so I forgot to record an intro, so welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica if you're new here. I'm going to be doing a mystery Burt's Bees unboxing, and it's from Made by Meow. That's where I got my like headband, these two little scrunchies, and it comes with a cute little bandana for your kitty cat. You guys ever see me wearing these? I got them from Made by Meow. I will link them below because with every purchase it helps support and feed cats in shelters all across the world. So back to the original video. Let's get into this unboxing of this Burt's Bees. If it is still available, I will link it down below. I know it was $25 and it's just a mystery box. Look, we have a toothpaste. Okay, and so this is a hydrating overnight mask, and it looks to be full size. And it comes with also some facial cleaning towelettes with cucumber. I don't really use face towelettes on my face. Wait. Yeah, I don't really use towelettes on my face because, but I will use these for swatches. Looks like full size. This is their body lotion with milk and honey. My hands kind of smell like garlic, so oh. There we go, and hey, covered up the garlic smell. We're cooking. Next we got like a little eye mask. This is the rejuvenating it's the rejuvenating eye mask with rosehip seed extract and jojoba oil. That's obviously a full-size bar of soap. With honey and shea. All their products seem to kind of smell the same. It's not a bad smell. We have an exfoliating clay mask. This one's with plum extract. Do not use on broken or irritated skin. The little lip butter, vanilla and vanilla and cloves. Ooh, that smells different. I like that smell. Detoxifying clay mask. This one's with charcoal and acai oil. A little mask to go with that little eye mask, or a face mask to go with eye mask. And then we got 4 different chapsticks and 2 different matte lipsticks, or liquid lipsticks. I got the shades Rushing Rose and Niagara Nude? Nigeria? Niagara? What? And we're just gonna say nude. And 802 nude. We got the pomegranate chapstick, the vanilla bean chapstick, that's interesting, coconut and pear, and mango. I'm actually glad they didn't give you the original, even though that's probably my favorite. The box is empty. I don't know. For a mystery box, I was actually pretty excited. I'm gonna swatch these two really quick. Rushing Rose. This is the nude one. Maybe spice down. So, for being a little mystery box, I had no idea what was in it. I'm pretty happy. I'm excited about this. And I am happy about my little Made by Meow. But that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing this mystery Burt's Bees box with me. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Look forward to some new upcoming videos. Drop a comment down below. Just say hi or come say hi to me on social media. It's just going to be Jessica Person everywhere. I'd love to just talk to you guys. Bye. Yep, I don't have my background near me. Or near me. Behind me.
Rough life, huh?
That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Oh shit. That's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please. What? I broke the lid. For today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Wait,